In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to delete your TikTok account. To delete your TikTok account, first open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Once TikTok is open, you will see the profile option at the bottom right corner. Tap on Profile. After tapping on Profile, this page will appear. Here, you will see the three lines in the top right corner. Tap on the three lines. After tapping on the three lines, this page will appear. At the bottom, you will see Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy. After tapping on Settings and Privacy, you will see the Account option. Tap on Account. After tapping on Account, this page will appear. At the bottom, you will see Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. After tapping on Deactivate or Delete Account, you will see two options. The first option is Deactivate Account. If you choose Deactivate Account, your account will no longer be visible to other people, but your account will still exist on TikTok. The second option is Delete Account Permanently. If you choose this option, your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. You can reactivate your account within 30 days by logging back in. However, if you do not reactivate it within 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. Since we want to permanently delete our account, we will select the second option, Delete Account Permanently. Here TikTok will ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. You can select any reason from the list. I'm selecting the reason. I have multiple accounts. After selecting the reason, tap on Continue. You can also skip this step by tapping on Skip if you want. I'm going to tap on Continue. Here TikTok is asking us to review this information before deleting the account. It says that our account and all associated content, including linked accounts on TikTok Studio, will be permanently deleted. We can cancel the deletion by reactivating our account within 30 days. If we agree with this, simply tap on Continue. Here TikTok will give you the option to download your data. If you have any videos or other data on TikTok that you want to save, you can tap on Request Download. Otherwise, select the confirmation checkbox to continue, and then tap on Continue. Here TikTok is showing us the account that will be deleted. It also says that if we do not use or reactivate the account within 30 days, the account will be permanently deleted. All the videos and other content associated with the account will also be deleted. And we will tap on Continue. After tapping on Continue, TikTok will ask you to enter a verification code. The code will be sent to the email address or mobile number that you used when creating your TikTok account. Check your email or mobile phone for the verification code. I received the code through email because I registered my TikTok account using my email address. If you registered your account using your phone number, you will receive the code on your phone number. Enter that code here. After entering the verification code, tap on Delete Account. Now TikTok will ask you one last time if you really want to delete your account. This is the final step. Tap on Delete, and your TikTok account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. So, this was the very easy way to permanently delete a TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.